Ahmed was a little boy who loved to play in his garden. One sunny afternoon, he heard a soft voice coming from the tree. Looking up, he saw a frightened cat clinging to a branch, unable to come down. Ahmed felt sorry for the poor cat and decided to help. He brought a small ladder but quickly realized it was not tall enough to reach the branch. He tried calling the cat, but it was too scared to move. Ahmed didn't give up. He ran to his neighbors and explained the situation. Soon, a group of neighbors gathered with ropes, a longer ladder, and lots of care. Working together, they managed to safely bring the cat down. The cat, relieved and happy, rubbed against Ahmed's leg as if to say thank you. From that day, the cat often visited Ahmed, purring softly and sitting beside him as he played. Moral: helping others brings joy and creates bond that lasts a lifetime.